Let's just not get one thing forgotten. Let's just not get one thing forgotten. Let's just not get one thing forgotten. Let's just not get. Whoa, hold me down quick when I'm coming through the door, backed up from beat the shit. You don't see me coming, you barely hear me creeping when I'm coming up behind you with my all black sneakers. Jada on the beat, like me see up in the street. My mentality to this game is nothing, no defeat. Accomplishing I see futures in my riches, I can see them in my future, and I'm loving those pictures. But now things are going not so much my way. I can't seem to stand up and straight today. But all I know is I got to get back on my feet. Gotta get the wind beneath my wings. Gotta go and fly so way up high. I ain't never coming back, no lie. Nah, I'm not never gonna stop. I'm on top of this game, baby. I'ma run it to the top. What? Oh, the second that I'm coming, I'm in the range, boy, yeah, you know how I be stunting. And in the Merc twist, when that all 26, while I'm driving up the street, got liquor in the seat. In between the seat, got the lead instead, in case a nigga out there trying to take my bread. Now listen when I say this crazy ridiculous. Listen, see as I'm whacking this, is totally ridiculous. I'm a beast, and I know, and that's me, and I rap the game. I can't go, I'm coming back again. I don't care about your name or fame. Jada ain't got nothing to me. I'm running the streets. See, I'm pulling right up. I got the guns in the back, gon' get 'em up, throw the vest on quick. I hop out my whip, then I pull that Glock 9 off my hip, stay stiff. Red laser beams when I'm frontin' the scene. They got the girl and the AUG 9 floating with me. I got that protection. Can't they tryna buck up? I'ma pump 'em in the gut with a shotty, that's what. Got the Mossberg 12 and I'm tearing them down quick like a pump shotty. I'm breaking them down quick and I don't even care what y'all saying about me. I'm a pimp and you know how I be in the streets. Now boy, let me tell you, they won't take my bread. I ain't scared of the niggas and that's what I said. Don't let them see they fear or they feed off that. If one thing you do, just always stay strapped.